Good afternoon, everyone. Today is March 23rd, 2020 at 3 o'clock from the New England Center for Children. I'm speaking to all of you today in an effort to disseminate information directly to our entire community, all staff, parents, board members, and friends. Last week, we made the difficult decision to suspend day services, including the IIP and home-based programs, in order to have any hope of keeping our residential program open. We had no other choice. Our clinicians continue to stay in touch with the day service families regularly, and educational materials were made available to try to provide some structure to our students' days while at home. We've additionally scaled back our on-site daycare services to provide childcare only for essential staff. Without a doubt, these closures have impacted many families greatly, and with the push for people to work from home throughout the Commonwealth, many people are feeling overwhelmed and anxious. However, these measures are absolutely necessary to reduce the potential spread of COVID-19. We remain committed to keeping the residential program open as long as possible, and there are currently no plans whatsoever to shut the residential program down. We are far from reaching the point of last resort, thanks to the incredible amount of help we are receiving from our dedicated staff. Parents of residential students, please continue to cooperate with our temporary policies to reduce the potential spread of the virus. Please continue to support our teams and provide words of encouragement to our direct care staff. There will be no visits to NECC until further notice, period. If you're wondering how you or your family can help, please reach out to our Office of Enrollment and Family Support. This is a time for proactive preparedness measures so that our response to a potential outbreak of the virus can be swift and accurate. The Emergency Management Team and Executive Committee of the Center have outlined multiple response efforts in the event of a positive or potential case at NECC. If we do have a positive case, communication and updated recommendations will be sent out, and we will let you know. But we are prepared for these initial cases, and we will be very clear with you when and if a case occurs at NECC. Now I'd like to thank our hardworking staff. To our day services staff, thank you for your commitment and flexibility to support our most vulnerable population, joining residential teams in large numbers. I'd like to extend my thanks to all individuals and departments who have sought out ways to help our staff and students in the past week, including food services, nursing, IT, maintenance, daycare, and individual staff such as a staff who had a personal connection to an employee of a medical supply company, from which we were able to order more personal protective equipment for our staff, which we expect to arrive on Thursday. I would lastly like to thank our residential teams for their flexibility and dedication during this challenging time. Your commitment and bravery working with our students is priceless and inspirational. The health and safety of our students and staff remains a top priority. As we continue to implement all preparedness measures recommended by the CDC, Department of Public Health, and the Department of Education and Secondary Education, we ask that you do the same in your personal life. Please practice social distancing and good hygiene. Please stay at home. We are all social creatures, but with discipline, we'll keep everyone as safe as possible. This is a stressful time for many. Make sure you're getting enough rest, food, and are taking care of yourself. And please stay home. If you or someone you know is having difficulty coping with this ever-changing situation, I urge you to reach out to the EAP through the link that was provided in an email to you today, or the National Disaster Distress Hotline. It's very important that you continue to check your email regularly, every day, and stay aware of any new preparedness measures. I want to thank you again for your continued dedication to our students and your fellow staff. At the New England Center, we are a multi-generational and increasingly diverse workforce of 1,000 people working together to transform the lives of the children we serve. In a time of crisis, Your service may be life-saving and life-changing for our students. As I've said before, thanks to your sacrifice, our students are here and remain here, and I can't think of anywhere else they could be. I've been truly amazed and inspired by the spirit I saw coming from the houses and the residential teams today. And I thank you all again for your service and support that you've given to me and everyone. What an amazing place and program you have created. Thank you, and we will be in touch again soon.